Tonight at 11, a family is suing Royal Caribbean after a 35-year-old man died on board. The lawsuit claims the cruise line overserved him more than 30 drinks. Fox 13's Genevieve Curtis shows us the lawsuit and how attorneys think it could impact the cruise industry.
This video captures the last few hours of 35-year-old Michael Virgil's life. Shirtless, kicking a door, attempting to find his cabin. Behavior attorneys for Virgil's family claim came because the cruise line served him at least 33 drinks during a cruise in December of 2024 that left from L.A. The lawsuit was just filed in Miami, where the company is based. Trial attorney Jeremy Rosenthal has looked at the lawsuit.
Somewhere between drink number 17 and 33, probably somebody with the cruise line should have recognized that it was a little much. That doesn't make the lawsuit necessarily a slam dunk, but there's some bad facts here for the cruise line.
The lawsuit claims Royal Caribbean security restrained Virgil with zip ties and handcuffs. Multiple cans of pepper spray were used, and according to the lawsuit, his attorney says they allegedly injected him with sedatives. The manner of death, according to the medical examiner, was ruled homicide. Kevin Haynes is representing Virgil's fiancee and 8-year-old son.
Not only did they overserve him with alcohol, once they determined that he needed security intervention, they set in course events that ultimately killed him. Let me be specific. The first domino that fell is that they physically restrained him with 5 people physically on top of him, which resulted in mechanical asphyxiation, which is what George Floyd suffered.
In a statement, Royal Caribbean said, quote, "We were saddened by the passing of one of our guests, worked with authorities on their investigation, and will refrain from commenting any further on pending litigation." Rosenthal tells Fox 13 this case could impact how cruises offer, advertise, and operate all-you-can-drink alcohol packages.
There's just no universe where you can serve a person that much alcohol repeatedly and not have some degree of responsibility for what ultimately happens. Royal Caribbean is going to say, look, this is this person's fault, and that personal responsibility matters, and that you just can't go and be unhinged like this.
On the flip side, he believes attorneys for the cruise line will argue that Virgil chose to drink that much.
Royal Caribbean is going to say, look, this is this person's fault, and that personal responsibility matters, and that you just can't go and be unhinged like this.
In Tampa, Genevieve Curtis, Fox 13 News.